Hey guys, welcome back to the Get a Clue Marketing Show. And in this episode, we're talking about affiliate marketing and how you can get a piece of a multi-billion-dollar industry. And if you ever wanted to make passive income, this is how to do it. So stay tuned. Today in our Q&A segment, we're talking about affiliate marketing and can you really make money doing it? Well, the answer is affiliate marketing is part of the marketing strategy that allows an owner of a product or a service to offer other people to sell their widgets so that they will receive a portion of the sale. Okay, it's pretty simple. It's been going on since people started selling. You know, like when a salesman says, now if you have friends and family members that you refer me to and they make a purchase, I'll give you $100 right there. And here's another example. Let's say I sell survival gear, but I'm only limited to what I can do myself, like doing social media, creating ads, paying for those ads, maintaining inventory, packaging, shipping. I mean, I'm real limited on what I can do. However, if I open the sales opportunities to my friends and family, I could give them a percentage of the sales for referring somebody to buy my survival gear. And that's going to take the workload off of me so I can just focus on fulfilling product orders. You know, the friends get a special tracking link and it shows who made the sale, how much do they get paid at the end of the month, etc. It's a real efficient way of selling. And that brings up the next question. Do people really make money doing affiliate marketing, or is it just hype and smoke? Well, some people make money and, well, some people don't. But there are people out there making a full-time income from affiliate marketing, and they're making a lot of money. We'll talk much more about that in our facts and stats segment. But people that are making thousands of dollars a day are referring people to certain websites using tracking links in their blogs and their posts and their videos. As far as the percentages go, you can receive anywhere from 2% to 100% depending on the products and the vendors. Amazon Associates dropped their commission rates from 1% up to 10%, which was 5 to 15% a few years ago, which made a lot of people upset. But it really depends on how the program is structured. So I hope this gives you some answers to your questions about affiliate marketing. Let me show you how big this industry really is coming up in our facts and stats. Stand by. Okay, in our facts and stats segment, we're talking about affiliate marketing industry. So I went over to Google Trends, and you can see since Google started tracking topics back in 2004, affiliate marketing was huge because this was one of the only ways to make money online. But over time, it dropped considerably because people started getting educated on creating their own products, be it digital or drop shipping or physical products, etc. But Amazon was the first to implement an affiliate program for books and CDs back in 1996. In fact, my first website, Inspiration Station, I was selling Amazon books for success and inspiration, you know, just getting my feet wet back in 97. So anyway, then I went over to FindStack.com, found a bunch of stats of the affiliate industry. It's a multi-billion industry, 12 billion globally and just 8 billion in the US alone. There's more than 80% of brands using affiliate programs to help them sell their merchandise. 9% of affiliate marketers make over $50,000 a year, but most make under $20,000 a year. But it's mostly passive income for their blogs and other channels that they use, which isn't bad at all. It's a great way to make extra income as a publisher and a creator. Okay, in our book market segment, you can go over to findstack.com or bloggingwizard.com. These are people that have took all the stats that they pulled from different sources to show you a more in-depth look at what the affiliate marketing industry looks like and what they have to offer. It includes charts and other interesting data. to get you excited about affiliate marketing and getting that passive income. So you're definitely want to check that out when you can. In our DIY marketing segment, we're talking about how to sign up to an affiliate program, okay? Well, first you have to find out what you would like to sell or promote, okay? The number one industry right now is fashion. The next is sports and outdoors equipment. And the third is health, wellness, and beauty products, okay? And that's for the physical products. I like to sell digital products and platforms where I can show visitors what the product does, how it will save them time, effort, and headaches. Plus, many of those digital products and platforms have reoccurring monthly income as long as the person stays on the program. Check ClickFunnels, by the way. But it's really easy to sign up. Just go over to Google, type in the brand or industry that you're passionate about, and then type in affiliate program and see what shows up. Now remember that 80% of brands have affiliate programs, so it's going to make it really easy to sign up. But here's 5 things to look for when you're choosing a program to use. Okay, number 1, does it have reoccurring monthly income? Number 2, is it something that you use so that you can easily convince people that it works? Number 3, how long do you have to wait for the payment? Is it 30 days, 45 days out? Number 4, do they have any assets like banners, videos, images, discounts to make it easy for a visitor to buy from you? And also check their support. How quickly do they get back to you is a big factor. Number 5, what are the rules of the brand? Most brands will not allow you to use their logo, their trademark, or their name in any advertising. They're going to ask you, how are you getting your visitors to see if you're legit? And the last thing you want is the company to nullify all your sales because the company says that you did not abide by the rules. Therefore, you forfeit all your earnings for that month. And beware of the rules because choosing your affiliate marketing is your income. Finally, the tip of the week for affiliate marketing is to find a brand or brands that you like working with that will help people save time, save money, and even look good, because you want to be able to do this for a long time. And if you're happy with those brands, it's so much easier to promote these products and you'll be able to stick to it a lot longer. Okay, that wraps up this episode. I hope you got something out of it on how to make passive income using affiliate marketing. This is David Deek. Thanks a lot for watching, and subscribe to the Get a Clue Marketing Show for more marketing and business tips. Thanks a lot.